Hello and welcome to CRA Diecast for another diecast unboxing. Thanks for dropping in. Hope all my subscribers are doing well. Thanks for sticking with the channel. I was out and about doing some peg hunting and I came across a new series from Majorette, and apparently 2024 marks the 60th anniversary for Majorette, which is a pretty good milestone. It even beats Hot Wheels. So their anniversary is 1964 to 2024, and to mark the occasion they've released a series called the 60th anniversary set, and there's about 7 or 8 in the series, but I only got 5 of them. The rest were sort of like ambulances and weird looking castings. I only got 5, and they're all cars and SUVs. So the first one is a Toyota FJ Cruiser in gloss black, and it looks really nice, and it's there's a card art, so 64 to 2024. So this is a really nice casting, and it's got the Majorette logo, 60th anniversary sticker on the rear glass. So we'll take this one out and have a bit of a closer look at it. There's no opening parts on it. No a little bit of suspension, not much. It's in a nice gloss black. Nice red rims, trim rings around the wheels, twin mirrors, white roof, spare tyre carrier in the tailgate door, and look like they've painted the brake lamps, and there's a tow hitch as well. This is metal body, plastic base. Oh yeah, it is 1/64th scale, so awesome. Oops. I do like these FJ Cruisers, they're a big casting. It's got silver finished headlamps and turn signals, gloss black bumper. This one is left-hand drive. You can see the 60th anniversary logo on the rear pillar. But yeah, this is a great looking truck. Those off-road wheels remind me of some of the Hot Wheels wheels that they use on their off-road vehicles, but these look a lot better on the Majorette ones. These aren't cheap either. They're about $8.99 Australian, so spend a fair bit on these. And the next one is a Volvo 240 GL Estate Wagon in white. It's blue metal rims on it. That's the card art. I wasn't going to open these. I thought they'd be more valuable carded, but I thought I want to have a look at them. Oh, this one has opening front doors, but the rims, not sure about the metallic blue rims. Guess it looks alright with the white bodywork. This one's left-hand drive. It's got the 60th anniversary tempo on the back quarter panel. Grey bumpers. Nicely decaled brake lamps and indicators. It's got some weird graphics on the roof and hood. Black trim around the windows and door frames. And This one's got better suspension than the FJ Cruiser. From the front, plastic headlamps, nice Volvo grille, and the Majorette banner across the hood. And this is, what scale? 1/59th scale. Yeah, it's a bit bigger casting. But all in all, I do like these Volvo wagons. I've got a few of these Volvo wagons, especially from Majorette, and a couple from Hot Wheels. And the next one is a 1990 Corvette ZR1 in gloss red. Not sure about those cyclonic rims, but that's the card art. So I'll grab this one out. It's got the convertible roof, again with the Majorette logo on the hood. I think, yeah, the hood opens. Not a great deal of engine detail inside, but left-hand drive, of course. I can't see any brake lamp details, maybe because it's the red paint. But twin exhaust. This one is 1/59th scale as well. But got the pop-up headlamp details, the Corvette logo on the hood, and silver finished indicators, plastic rims. Yeah, I think they could have chosen a bit better wheel for this casting. The casting itself looks great, but the wheels sort of spoil it. But a little bit of suspension, twin side mirrors. All in all, looks pretty nice. That way. And the next one is an Alfa Romeo Giulia Quadrifoglio in like a dark burgundy red. One of my favourite castings from Majorette. Got sort of bronze finish rims. There's the card art. So, I'll crack this one open. This one also has opening doors on both sides. Black hood, left-hand drive. You can see the shifter in the middle. Tufted bucket seats. Nice sort of a strawberry red paint scheme. And the Majorette logo on the front door with the 60th anniversary banner on the rear door. This is 1/60th scale. It's got lens headlamps, nice Alpha grille and badge, twin side mirrors, windshield wiper details on the front glass, and suspension. Yep, excellent job on the back. Nice big Alfa Romeo badge on the boot lid, Giulia script on the deck lid, and a little lip spoiler on the deck lid. But yeah, this is a really nice casting. Yeah, it's a great looking vehicle. Sort of in profile, reminds me of a 3 Series BMW. I guess that's where they got their inspiration from. I see these on the road and I think, oh yeah, there's a BMW, but then I look at the front and I see, oh, it's an Alfa Romeo. And then the last one is my favourite. It's the Mercedes-Benz 450 SEL. And this is awesome, this one. I love this casting. I bought 2 of them. It's a big car. That's the card art. Yeah, this is a beautiful casting. Also has opening front doors, and it's got really good suspension on it. And it's left-hand drive. Got the anniversary logo on the rear panel and Majorette script covering both doors. Not sure about the silver around the trim rings on the wheels, but this is scale 1/61 scale. It's got the wipers embedded on the front glass, plastic headlamps. I think they could have chromed the grille. I might paint that silver later on, same with the bumpers. But yeah, she's a long casting. Gaps aren't too bad between the doors, not like M2. At the back, painted brake lamps and turn signals, and metal body, plastic base, plastic tyres. But yeah, it's one of my favourite castings from Majorette. It's in a real bright yellow. Maybe it might have looked better in like a green, dark green or a blue. But yeah, it's fantastic. So congratulations to Majorette. May you have another 60 years in the business. And hopefully you'll release some more awesome castings. So if you can find this set, I really recommend it. The other, I can't think what the other couple were. I think there was an ambulance, which I'm not really into ambulances, and then I think there was a truck, but I only got the car castings. So anyway, that's my little share today. So if you enjoyed this video, hit the thumbs up and share and subscribe if you wish. And thanks again for dropping by, and we'll catch you on my next video. So cheers for now.